It may be hard to believe, but there are 1.4 billion people on Instagram. So as a tourism business, how do you stand out in a sea of so many Instagram users? Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to boost your posts to more people on Instagram to increase your follower count. So let's get started. There are a number of ways to boost your Instagram posts. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a great place to start. When people search for your industry in the search bar, you want your tourism business to appear. That's SEO. Using keywords that your potential customers are searching for makes it easier for them to find your profile and become a customer in the future. I'm going to run through 4 key ways to improve your Instagram SEO, including keywords, hashtags, location tags, and topics. First, think about the keywords related to your industry. Let's use an adventure and trekking company, Wildtrek, that offers West Cork trekking as an example here. A simple search for adventure or trekking Cork will show all the posts including these keywords. Keywords you could use could be trekking routes, Cork, explore, views, etc. You want to dot your keywords into your bio, your Instagram captions under your posts and reels. You don't need to fit in every keyword, but adding 2 to 3 will help you to get found by people who are searching for those keywords. Start to optimize your search by adding a keyword to the bold part of your Instagram bio that best describes your industry. Let's say you run a trekking and outdoor adventure company in West Cork called Wildtrek. Then the bold text should display your business name, Wildtrek Cork, because these are the keywords people would search for. Another way to improve your Instagram SEO is through hashtags. Hashtags help to categorize your content so your posts will be shown to the right people. It's best to use between 3 and 8 hashtags per post. For example, if your business is based in and around Dublin, you can add #LoveDublin to get discovered and encourage your followers to upload their own images using that hashtag. Let's now look at location tags and how they can help to get your posts discovered by new people. You can add a location tag to your posts and reels. They appear as small text underneath your username of your posts. When your posts include a location tag, users that are searching for that particular area may come across your tourism business profile. Finally, let's look at Reels topics. Create your reel and under the caption, you'll see Add Topics. These work in a similar way to hashtags. Select the topics that your reel is about. Take note of the travel, transportation, food and drink topics, or whichever relates to your tourism business. You can select categories under this. Finally, another way of boosting your posts is through paid Instagram and TikTok ads. This involves creating an ad and using targeting features to push your content to the right people. So there you have it. We will cover how you can make the best use of paid promotions in a separate video. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at baltaireland.ie.